Hi guys, today we're making lemon crinkle cookies. And say hi. 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 First you need 1 cup of sugar. Pour this in. Next is 2 cups of almond flour. Mix it together a bit. Next is 2 egg whites. And then 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're in. Juice. You want some? Yep. Smell it. Fresh lemon zest. Now we're going to put the lemon zest in the bowl. Now we're going to take a bit and roll it into a ball. Now we're going to roll these into the icing sugar.